Ever wondered what will be the data type or the class for uninitialized variables in Python? Because in Python, every variable is object of some class. So are the uninitialized variables. And the Python interpreter is very smart. We don't specify the class name or the data type when declaring a variable. Rather, we simply put the variable name, assign it with some random value, and the Python interpreter knows the data type of the variable by looking at the value with which the variable is initialized or assigned to. Now in Python there is a special keyword called none. If we assign none to some any variable, the variable it is as direct to say that the variable is uninitialized. And in Python, the class for uninitialized variable is none type. Now x is none. None is not same as empty string. So if I reassign the value with empty string, you will see the class will be string class. Thanks for watching.